My biggest pet peeve is
thing that irritates me the most.
Hey guys, believe me or not, this happens all the time.
I have a lot.
If you are the customer, what do you think is the number one thing that annoys you the most about customer service specialists? Not just over the phone, but anywhere. In food chains, restaurants, malls, boutiques, or anywhere you go. Hey there Ninja! Welcome back to my channel. This is Rhea once again, and you are still watching Call Center Ninja. So if you're new here, I share real stories and tips to help you begin, enjoy, and survive your call center lifestyle. So please consider subscribing by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and if you have already subscribed, then thank you so much. In this video, I partnered with my video creator friends from Cebu content creators to ask them about their pet peeves as customers. And I'm asking you too, as a viewer, as a sort of thinking when you are on your customer's shoes. Because a lot of times we think as customer service specialists, being that we work in the customer service industry, and sometimes we get annoyed with our customers who don't get exactly what we are explaining, customers who seem to be so mad about whatever is happening in the world and just takes it all on you. So I thought of making this video because I also want you to think that maybe these customers are just having a bad day. And what if you are the customer? What do you think is that thing that annoys you the most if you speak with a customer service specialist? Because maybe that way you will understand that, okay, this customer that I have today is just having a bad day. And if I am this customer, I'll probably also have a bad day.
So my biggest pet peeve is when the customer service or the person that I am talking to talks to me in high voice, or they sound so arrogant because, you know, I'm the customer and they're the one who's providing my service, and they should be professional enough and polite enough to entertain me, not to be arrogant.
Or the thing that irritates me the most as a customer is that when you order something or you're asking an information, the customer service representative is delaying his or her response, and you're waiting and waiting and then waiting for a very long period. That irritates me. And knowingly, they're having a chit chat with their co-workers. So it's a no-no for me.
Hey guys, believe me or not, this happens all the time. My biggest pet peeve as a customer is when the teller or cashier asks me if I have this number of coins for them to give me this particular amount of change, even if they have lots of coins in there. It's so annoying.
When you enter at their store, they look up you from top to bottom, from head to toe. It's like, is this customer an important product? Isn't it so annoying and frustrating? Sometimes if they look at me like that, I will go out without any hesitation.
The number one thing that annoys me the most, it's really my pet peeve as a customer, is when I go to a department store or any kind of store where I need to buy apparel, shirts, or shoes, or bags, or anything, and the sales lady would always follow me wherever I go. I mean, I don't have anything against sales ladies who do that. I don't have anything personally against them, but it's my personal pet peeve because when I shop, I just really want to be left alone and choose on my own because I cannot concentrate in choosing when somebody is always beside me or always interrupting my train of thought or my decision making in my head. So that's about it for today. Let me ask you, what is your pet peeve as a customer yourself? Comment it down below, and as usual, if you like this content, please like, subscribe if you haven't, and I have videos every Wednesdays and Fridays. So see you again next time. Take care and bye-bye.